Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a simple natural drink that has been used in traditional remedies for generations, clove water, also known as clove tea. Cloves may be small, but they are packed with powerful compounds, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that may help support overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll explore 10 potential benefits of drinking clove water, and at the end I'll show you exactly how to make it at home using just a few simple ingredients. Before we begin, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. If you have a health condition or take medication, always consult your healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. So let's get started. 1. Help detoxify the body. One of the most talked about benefits of clove water is its potential to support the body's natural detoxification processes. The liver and kidneys are the body's primary filtering systems. They work constantly to remove waste products and toxins from the bloodstream. Cloves contain antioxidants, particularly a compound called eugenol, which may help protect cells from oxidative stress. By supporting the body natural cleansing systems, clove water may contribute to overall wellness and help the body function more efficiently. While no drink can magically detox the body overnight, staying hydrated and consuming antioxidant-rich foods and drinks may help support these natural processes. 2. May help regulate blood pressure. Cloves contain minerals such as manganese and potassium, which play important roles in cardiovascular health. Some research suggests that compounds found in cloves may help support healthy circulation and relaxation of blood vessels. When blood vessels are able to relax properly, blood can flow more easily throughout the body, which may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Of course, clove water should never replace prescribed blood pressure medication, but it may be a useful addition to a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise. 3. May boost the immune system. Our immune system is our body's defense against illness and infection. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals that can damage cells and weaken immune function. The antibacterial, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties associated with cloves may also help support the body's natural ability to defend itself against harmful organisms. Drinking clove water regularly may be one simple way to give your immune system a little extra support, especially during colder months when infections tend to be more common. 4. Help fight respiratory infections. For centuries, cloves have been used in traditional remedies for coughs, colds, and respiratory discomfort. The natural compounds found in cloves may help soothe irritated airways and reduce inflammation. Some people find that warm clove tea can help loosen mucus and provide temporary relief from congestion, sore throats, and coughs. This is one reason cloves have remained a popular ingredient in traditional cold and flu remedies around the world. 5. May help balance blood sugar levels. Another area attracting increasing attention is the potential role of cloves in supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that compounds in cloves may help improve the body's response to insulin and support glucose metabolism. For people trying to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day, this may be beneficial. However, if you have diabetes or take medication that affects blood sugar, it's important to discuss any dietary changes with your healthcare provider. 6. May help relieve joint pain and inflammation. One of the most valuable properties of cloves is their natural anti-inflammatory effect. Inflammation is linked to many common health issues, including joint discomfort and stiffness. The compound eugenol found in cloves has been studied for anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce some inflammatory responses within the body. Many people who suffer from occasional aches and pains choose to include clove tea as part of their overall wellness routine. While it isn't a cure, it may help support comfort and mobility when combined with a healthy lifestyle. 7. Liver health. The liver works incredibly hard every day, processing nutrients, filtering toxins, and performing hundreds of essential functions. Some research suggests that antioxidants found in cloves may help protect liver cells from oxidative stress and support healthy liver function. A healthy liver is vital for overall health, and including antioxidant-rich foods and beverages in your diet may help provide additional support. 8. Enhance oral health. Cloves have long been associated with dental health. In fact, Clove oil has traditionally been used to help ease tooth discomfort. The antibacterial properties of cloves may help reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, while also helping to freshen breath. Drinking clove water may contribute to better oral hygiene when combined with regular brushing, flossing, and dental care. A healthier mouth can also contribute to better overall health. 9. Act as a natural pain reliever. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound known for its mild analgesic or pain-relieving properties. This is one reason cloves have been used traditionally for toothaches and minor discomforts. Although drinking clove water is not as concentrated as using clove oil, some people find that regular consumption may help support overall comfort and well-being. The combination of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to this effect. 10. Help promote better sleep. Many people enjoy drinking warm clove tea in the evening as part of a relaxing bedtime routine. The warm drink itself can be calming, and some people report feeling more relaxed after consuming it. Because cloves may help support digestion and reduce discomfort, they may also contribute indirectly to better sleep quality. While clove tea isn't a sleeping pill, it can be a soothing caffeine-free drink that helps prepare the body and mind for rest. How to make clove water or clove tea? Now that we've looked at the potential benefits, let's make some. Ingredients: 1 to 2 cups of water, 5 to 8 whole cloves. Optional: 1 teaspoon honey, slice of lemon, small piece of fresh ginger. Method 1: Overnight clove water. 1. Place 5 to 8 whole cloves into a glass jar. 2. Add 1 to 2 cups of drinking water. 3. Cover and leave overnight. 4. Strain in the morning. 5. Drink on an empty stomach or throughout the day. Method 2: Warm clove tea. 1. Bring 1 to 2 cups of water to a boil. 2. Add 5 to 8 whole cloves. 3. Reduce heat and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. 4. Remove from heat and allow to steep for another 5 minutes. 5. Strain into a cup. 6. Add honey, lemon, or ginger if desired. 7. Enjoy warm. Final thoughts. Clove water and clove tea are simple, inexpensive drinks that may offer a variety of health-supporting benefits, from immune support and oral health to helping manage inflammation and promoting relaxation. Have you tried clove water or clove tea before? Let me know in the comments below what your experience has been. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And stay tuned because in the next video we'll be looking at the benefits of clove oil and how to make it at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.